Hello guys, this is how to repair stone chips on the windshield. The first step is to clean out any loose glass chips. Second step is apply the adhesive patch and plastic pedestal. The third step is to inject the epoxy resin with the sirens. Then allow it to cure and remove the pedestal. Then remove any excess epoxy and clean the glass. Put a sealer adhesive and do the patches and then let it cure just to seal the moisture from outside. Put a UV light just to make a good cure of the adhesive. After the curing, scrape the patches and then clean it out. Now he is checking the chip in the windshield, if it's still there, but because the chip is so deep, it appears that still there.